Jiophone Next Review Price Specification. Looking forward to buying Jiophone this Diwali? This Diwali Jio Phone Next is ready to make an entry to the Indian markets. Read the article to know about the Jio Phone Next price, features, and other specifications. Highlights. Jio Phone Next comes with reading aloud, translate features. Jio Phone Next runs on Android-based Pragati OS. It has a micro USB port. Jio Phone Next price. According to some of the sources, the Jio smartphone will cost around 3,499 rupees, i.e., $50. Approx. Jio Phone Next features. The new Jio Phone Next will run on an optimized Android-based Pragati OS. It has been created in partnership with Google and is powered by a Qualcomm chipset. The phone has voice assistance, read aloud, translate, a 13-megapixel rear camera, preloaded Google and Jio apps. Jio Phone Next other specifications. This first Jio smartphone has been assembled in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. It will run on Pragati OS powered by Android. The target audiences of this phone are Indian. The operating system of the phone offers optimum performance which ensures long battery life. Jio Phone Next also comes with an automatic software upgrade. The handset includes a micro USB port, capacitive touch buttons, and a 13-megapixel sensor placed inside a capsule-shaped rear camera module. It also carries a flash right below the sensor. Talking about the camera features, the rear camera of the phone includes portrait mode, night mode, and preloaded custom India augmented reality filters. The phone has a dotted textured back panel, rear speakers, and significant bezels surrounding the display. The phone also seems to carry a selfie camera with a flash. The Jio Phone Next also features a voice assistant to operate the phone to commands such as open app and manage settings. The read aloud feature of the phone will allow the users to have on-screen content read out to them. This will help the users to use content in a language familiar to them. Moreover, the Jio Phone Next has a translate functionality that will help the users to translate text to the language of their own choice. Lastly, although the Jio Phone Next is powered by the Qualcomm processor, the model of the chip is yet to be revealed. It is also suggested that the smartphone can be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215, QM215, SoC.